Right, I've come to Donny today. We need some bits from town, so I thought I'd have a walk round. And there's also, is it Royal Air Force? There's a big, is it Chinook there? I don't know if it's a replica or not, but we'll go and have a look anyway. Have a walk round, see what we can see. So I thought I'd film while we're here, because like I said, I've got things to do, so yeah, let's see what we can see. Here it is, look, there's the beast. Doing it again, I forgot to do zoom. Hey? Yeah.
Very cool.
Who's crashing?
We've all had a crash.
Have you?
I mean a go.
Just don't crash that over there. Let's go and have a look.
No, so it's nothing to do with
What we got here?
So this is an ejection seat
Right.
from a camber actually, so it's a bit older.
Yep.
Made by Martin Baker.
Oh, nice.
So pilot sits in there. Pulls this. Seat
And then you go
fire
about
handles,
500 feet in air.
Yeah. Shoots up in the sky.
Nice one.
So I couldn't tell you the exact speed, but it accelerates really hard. So pulling that to being out of the aircraft, it's about 1.5 seconds.
Yeah, it's quick.
So you go 0, 1,
Yeah. Nice one, thank you.
Thank you.
just all over the place.
Don't shoot. Can you have a look in there? Yeah. Can you take this? Yeah. How long have you been in?
About 4 years.
Have you been 4 years in Air Force? Have you? Oh, nice one.
I don't fly this, to be clear.
Yeah, yeah. But you've been in it while it's been up. Yeah, yeah. Oh, brilliant, mate. Thank you for your service. Yeah, I'll have a little film and then. Hey up, buddy.
Hey mate, you alright?
Yeah, not bad, are you? Oh, it's got a nice smell in here. Look at that. Can you take us to Lanzarote or something? Is that right? Yeah, brilliant, mate. They look a lot bigger from outside. Yeah, go on then.
Do you want me to hold that?
Yeah, go on. You know how to use it, don't you?
I'll guess, I'll just point it at you.
Yeah. There.
Yeah.
See if that's in.
Yeah.
So you hold here.
Flick that red latch up, and then the little toggle as well underneath. And then, yeah, hold on with both hands as you are.
Yep.
Press one of those buttons.
These ones.
Yeah, push.
Yeah, brilliant that.
Keep going.
Oh, brilliant. Obviously, if it's going to be loaded, it's going to be a lot more.
Yeah, I would guess so.
Yeah.
Obviously, they're all fixed onto
Yeah.
aircraft anyway, so
Oh,
it's
that's
not
brilliant,
like
mate.
a rifle that's pushing into your shoulder.
Oh. And there's your cockpit.
Yeah, yeah. Have a look in there if you want. There.
Sound. Oh, that's brilliant, that, mate.
Yeah, I'm not sure what the because they've recently upgraded them.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure what the new one looks like, but
Another man, another beard, look. Do you want me to sign up?
I know it's like you have to have a beard now.
You do, yeah. Yeah, nice one. Thank you very much. There's looks big from outside, doesn't it?
Yeah, a lot of people have said that. To be fair, it's 80% size of a real one.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Interesting. Thank you. Oh yeah. Hey, that's pretty cool in there. Let me come back round. I think I've come the wrong way, and I should have gone round the other way. Let's have a look round. What you done to him? He don't look very well.
Yeah, he's on
He'll
it.
live. He's dead. Oh, what's this you've got here? That's very funky, isn't it?
Pocket 3.
Okay. Where are you going to put that?
YouTube.
Are you?
Yeah. Not a big channel, so it's just, you know what I mean? So what happened to him?
He had an injury. He fell off a ladder, actually.
Oh really?
Yeah, he was just working at height.
Too much to drink?
No, he didn't have too much to drink, but he just fell off a ladder, and he's just got a bit of a sore arm.
Yeah, it looks a bit sore that.
What do you think you might do if you saw something like that? What have you got to do?
Well,
Stop it
I'd obviously
bleeding?
stop him bleeding by putting.
You see, we use these as
Yeah.
to train. This is a training aid, so you can actually set it up to bleed.
Yeah, to bleed. Yeah.
Yeah, and then you train the
Yeah.
medical staff to stop the bleeding.
Is that a vein?
Yes.
Is that a vein or an artery?
Yeah.
Yeah. CPR and everything.
There's something else you can do on it as well. What do they say? There's and we've obviously just put this on to make it look a little bit more military. Here we go. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We've got the
Yeah.
something here, but I mean we're not using it for that today. Literally just wrapping a bandage around.
It's just a day of rest today for him, isn't it? Nice one. Thank you very much.
No worries.
I hope he recovers anyway.
Joining fitness test practice. Hell no.
I'm not fit. Yeah, these will be.
It is heavy.
Right, what gun's this?
It's the L129A1 sharpshooter.
Nice. Interesting. Is that heavy? Can you pick that up? Is that right? Yeah, do you want to make sure you... Oh, it is heavy, that, isn't it? Oh, that's really good.
It's the third variant of the SAE now.
Yeah.
So that's like a primary weapon system.
That's really...
Everyone in the forces will get trained on that to a certain level, and then ourselves, like infantries, will get
Yeah,
trained
yeah, yeah.
to a higher level with it.
I thought it would have been a bit heavier, that.
No, it's not too bad.
No, it's not too bad. I'm guessing these will be...
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we double the weight, to be fair, the GPM.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
It's still not too bad,
Yeah.
but when you're looking at about the valleys of Wales where we're training, all the kit,
Yeah.
you start to feel the weight.
I bet when you first start joining, you first start doing your training, I bet it's quite intimidating, isn't it? Do you know what I mean? Not in a intimidating way where you're like, it's more, oh, what's this feel like? What's this do? You know what I mean?
Yeah. Obviously, it's all meant to. It's changed a little bit now, basic training, but
Yeah.
when I went through, it was
Yeah.
intended to be a bit intimidating.
Yeah. So how long have you been in then? How long have you been doing it?
I've done 9 years.
Have you done 9 years?
Yeah,
Nice
yeah. Well, 9 years in May.
one. Bullshit. I
join
appreciate your
up
service. Perfect.
Nice one, thank you.
Nice. So these are all like a...
He still has the guy's name without war.
Yes,
Interesting.
This is what we'd obviously wear on the quarter.
Yeah.
Exercise as well.
You like to have a look at that?
Yeah, it's a secondary weapon system. We've got Glock 17.
Feels really...
Yeah, it's light, innit?
That's quite... Oh, interesting.
Then it used
I'll let
to
you
be
put that back.
great
Yeah, interesting.
how much has been outside.
Oh, this will, yeah. It's like police, isn't it? They...
Yeah, and it
Yeah.
just looks like
Interesting. Nice one, mate. Thank you.
No worries, cheers. Keep hold of that.
I mean, sorry.
Hiya, mate. Interesting.
So, I'm not a fireman, but I believe it's a hazmat suit.
Yeah.
Come to get you.
Oh, this is proper uniform, isn't it?
Yeah, they do. So, from what I've heard, from
Yeah.
what he's been saying, their training's just as good as the guys out here, so they can go and do.
Yeah.
We're a bit
yeah.
different.
So what are you? Are you police? Oh wow.
So
Interesting.
we get slightly different, we've got different powers,
Yeah.
jobs, different responsibilities that they don't necessarily have.
This is the subway.
Stab-proof.
Yeah.
Not quite the gunners and their bulletproof
Yeah.
business, but
Oh, interesting. Nice one. Have a nice day. One sec.
Yeah?
No, there's no one in back.
Free gym. Free medical and dental.
Yeah. Let's go and have a look in here. Virtual reality. Yeah, interesting.
I don't know if there's air brakes.
I'm guessing these are what these are flying.
Yeah, so that's a POV right now.
Quite motion sickness, isn't it? It'd be quite
When you
Some people do.
It's kind of crazy.
Say hello. You're on YouTube.
Nice to meet you.
So what's your jobs today?
So we're on the esports stand.
All right.
So we've got the flight simulator over here and
Yeah.
over there. we
Interesting.
have, Rocket League.
Yeah. Basically showcasing like there's more to military than just like the physical element.
I get you. I'm guessing these are not cheap either.
Yeah. If you just stay around for a bit, you can try yourself.
I think I'm going to get something to eat first. I've had no to eat all day, and I'll probably be.
And then you're gonna.
Just make sure
Yeah.
you don't get too dizzy.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
What time are you up until 5?
Yes, but we'll
Oh.
do tomorrow and Sunday as well.
Yeah. Nice one. Thank you very much. See ya.
This is the
Yeah.
the rapid response.
Interesting.
I mean, if only you could like film the.
Yeah. Hi, mate.
Hi mate, how you doing?
Cracking beard, that.
Thank you, man. Likewise.
So what's this here?
This is similar to what some of our aircrew wear when they're on the jet.
All right, yeah.
So this is one of the lighter versions. You can
Yep.
also have ones which have like body armour in and
Yep.
stuff like that. But it'll be obviously you've got your flotation device in here if you crash land in the water. And within all the different pockets, you'll have different things like survival aids,
Yeah.
like beacons, stuff like that for like what we call EPLBs,
Yep.
locator beacons. So when you
Oh, interesting.
they
Yeah.
activate and like satellites find your location and they get sent on to your parties that come and find you, basically.
So basically, if you're knackered, that's going to save your life.
You hope so, yeah. In
You
one
hope so,
way or
yeah.
another. Either they're going to bring someone who's going to save your life,
Yeah.
or they give you the aids to do a bit.
Nice one. Thank you very much.
So yeah, no problem.
Perfect. Nice one. Have a good day.
You too.
Now that's a drone.
That's honestly, I just said.
It's a bit different to Neo, isn't it? A bit different to DJI.
Oh yeah.
Bloody hell. How much are they new?
About 30 grand. Buy a car.
30 grand.
30 grand, yeah.
But it can probably do heat signatures and all that kind
Yeah,
of stuff.
so there's two cameras, one of them's infrared, one of them's just a regular camera, but it goes to 50 times zoom. So yeah, honestly, this bit of kit's amazing. Like,
I mean, I'm guessing you've seen it run.
yeah, I've seen it run and stuff. Like it's we're pretty good because like we're doing another AFCO meeting, so like with the recruiters basically tell them what we were doing, similar to this, but with genuine people that need to know what we're doing.
Yeah.
And,
Oh, it is DJI. Oh, this bloody camera there, yeah, look.
yeah, I was going to say.
It's got the
You've even got carbon fibre legs, arms.
Yeah, it just keeps it light.
You don't want to zoom this camera anymore. Not zoom, focus. Oh, it has. Oh, interesting, mate, yeah.
Yeah, this one's really, really good.
And obviously that's another attachment, isn't it? Another camera.
Yeah, so this is like the infrared one.
Yep. Oh, is that the infrared?
Yeah, that's the one.
So how long have you been serving? Because you only seem a young lad.
Yeah, a year and a half now.
Have you?
Yeah. I joined when I was 17. So,
Good on you, mate.
Yeah,
Good on you.
I've really enjoyed it.
Nice one. Keep it up, bud. Definitely. Yeah, interesting. I mean, I bet this one's still expensive and all.
I'm not too sure how much that one is, to be honest, but it's pretty much the exact same thing, just smaller than it. But yeah, got a nice little control.
£30,000.
DJI.
Yeah, that's interesting, that. Nice one, thank you very much.
Yeah, no worries.
And keep it up, buddy.
Yeah, cheers.
And thanks. Bloody hell. £30,000 for a DJI drone.
Yeah, but I've seen the size of it and what it does, what it can do.
Interesting. So that was Royal Air Force. They were quite good, that.